In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to N8N. We'll walk through the exact setup you need in Google Cloud and then finish the connection inside N8N so your workflows can securely access Google Drive. First, create a Google Cloud project. Head to the Google Cloud console, choose New Project, give it a clear name you'll recognize later, and create it. Think of this project as the container that will hold your Drive API and OAuth settings for N8N. Next, enable the Google Drive API. With your project selected, open APIs and Services and choose Enable APIs and Services. Search for Google Drive API, open it, and click Enable. This is what grants your N8N workflows the ability to talk to Google Drive. Now set up the OAuth consent screen. Go to the OAuth consent screen page and select External for personal or testing use. Provide a readable app name, add the required email fields, and add your Google account as a test user. Keeping it in testing mode is ideal while you're setting things up. It limits access to accounts you approve and helps you avoid unnecessary reviews. This consent screen is what Google shows you when you authorize N8N to access your drive. Create the OAuth credentials. In Credentials, click Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application. Switch to N8N briefly and copy the exact redirect URL shown in the Google Drive credential setup. Back in Google Cloud, paste that URL into Authorized Redirect URIs. It must match exactly, including protocol and any trailing slashes. Create the client and you'll receive a client ID and client secret. Keep them secure. Connect inside N8N. Open N8N. Create or open a workflow, and add a Google Drive node. Click to create a new credential, then paste the client ID and client secret you just generated. Start the authentication, sign in with your test user account, and allow the requested permissions. When it completes, your credential should show as connected. If you see an error, double-check that the redirect URI in Google Cloud matches the one from N8N. You're ready to use Google Drive in workflows. In the Google Drive node, you can upload files from previous nodes, download files by ID, create folders for organized storage, or search for files and pass the results onward. N8N supports many actions like uploading, deleting, and sharing, so you can automate anything from backups to document routing. Save your workflow and run a quick test to confirm everything behaves as expected. That's it. Your Google Drive is now connected to N8N and ready to power your automations.